4.7c, application problems, proportion to percent. When setting up a problem that requires translation from proportion to percent, look for keywords that give context clues. Remember that the formula for proportion to percent is the part over the whole equals the percentage over 100. Now, in a problem, we'll usually be looking for only one of these and be given the rest. So it is our job to determine which ones we are given and how to use them correctly with this formula. So let's go through an example. Example 1. The price of a new 10,000 pound capacity car lift was quoted at $2,545. Within 1 year of usage, the value of this lift will depreciate to $1,650. What is the percentage of depreciation in the first year? And we need to round to the nearest whole percentage point. So, the lift will depreciate to $1,650. So let's use our formula, part over the whole equals the percentage over 100. So right off the bat, we know that our unknown is going to be the percentage because it's asking what is the percentage. So this is going to be X. We don't know that. We always know 100, right? That's just a given. And we know that the whole is the price of the new lift. So we're given that. But the part is a little trickier, and here's why. It's very tempting to say that the part is actually $1,650. But what the part actually is $2,545 minus $1,650, which gives us $895. This is the part. Why is this the part? It is because this is the amount that the price decreases by, and that's what we're concerned with in this problem. So $895 is actually the part. So when we set up our problem, we have $895 over $2,545 equals X over 100. In solving this problem, we can multiply both sides by 100. We get 89500 over 2545 equals X, because the 100s cancel. And then carrying out this division on our calculator, we get X to equal 35.16 repeating. And we round this to the nearest percentage point, so 35% depreciation is what the lift experiences. So now let's go to another problem. Example 2, out of 2,600 automotive tech programs across the country, 2,373 are NATEF accredited. What percentage of programs is this? And again, we're going to round to the nearest percentage point. So we use part over the whole equals the percent over 100. So we're always given 100, and we're given the whole, which is the 2,600, and we're given the part, which is the NATEF accredited, but we're not given the percentage because it's asking what percentage. So that's going to be our X. So in setting up our proportion, we have 2,373 over 2,600, so the part over the whole equals the percentage, which we don't know, over 100. And we're going to solve this the exact same way by multiplying both sides by 100. These cancel. We end up with X on the right-hand side, and on the left-hand side, we end up with 237300 over 2600. And when we punch this into our calculator, X ends up equaling 91.2692, with some more digits trailing, but the one we're worried about is the 2. That's because this tells us we round down to 91%. So 91% are NATEF accredited.